Hello my friend, it's me Robin. This item of elegant design. It can adjust the gravity by remote control. Double-sided single glass display. Good. Remote control. First press the hand. Okay, we can see H, A, and D. Okay, we can add number. Add number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Press the enter component. Enter. Look, it's the most bright piece. Front side and the back side. This control way by GPS module. Look, controller box, meanwhile power supply, 300 watts. This is our main control card. And here, GPS module. This is the receiver antenna. Receiver antenna. Look, light sensor. Right. Look, receiver antenna.